Don't make it take you away, no, Sash. Hold it, Sash, hold it. Check that out. We are flying a kite, so when you say go fly a kite, this is what we're actually doing. I cannot believe it. Yo, you feel the weight? Yo, hold it. And you say it's about 5 feet high?
Yeah.
The kite?
More than 5.
More than 5 feet?
5.5.
Yeah? Yo!
No one there about 6.
That's crazy. So you tie that one, what do I want to tie?
See them down
Alright, next time.
You see that?
Pick up yourself now.
But on the delivery trail, you can be a part of the team, you know, with the shipping. The shipping, you ship your packages from overseas. Anyway, overseas stores in Florida. Sign up with us, we get your overseas address. Send your packages there, and we bring it here in Jamaica. Come deliver right at your gate. Hey, you gotta switch right now. Right now. Yes, man. I give the information right now. Give one of the card them.
Yo! I tell me I gotta tell you this now, I'm tired.
Yo,
come hold this now, man. I want to
this. Let go.
Hold it, man.
Ah! You feel it? Huh? You don't have to take care of it.
Hold it, man.
Who see that? That's crazy. Yes, man. So just go on the webpage, sign up, get an account with us, and I'm gonna give you my number, or you'll see the customer care number on it. So you can give the customer care line a call just in case you need any other information. All right? Yeah, man. We got you, bro. Just like how you bring me back to the good old youthful days. Yeah. Yeah. Remember your cross engine? That is what I remember. Alright, have a good one, brother. Alright, cool.